The city offers basic life and long-term disability insurance through the standard. What is life insurance for? In part, it provides replacement income when someone dies. It can also help provide money to cover new costs that arise after your death, such as medical expenses, taxes, outstanding debt, probate costs, housing, education, spouse living, and retirement. Do you need life insurance? Ask yourself, would someone suffer an economic hardship if you died? If the answer is yes, the next step is to consider your goals. What do you wish to accomplish with your life insurance benefit? Do you want to cover your medical and final expenses? Keep your kids and spouse in their home, their neighborhood, and schools? Help cover education costs for your children? Provide a financial gift for loved ones? Or provide financial support while your loved one gets through the emotional grieving period? What you want to achieve will have an impact on how much life insurance you'll want to apply for. The city provides you with basic life insurance at no cost. Employees have 2 times their salary up to $100,000 of basic life insurance with a matching AD&D benefit. AD&D is short for accidental death and dismemberment. This is an additional benefit that is payable if you are partially dismembered or if your death results from an accident. Basic life insurance also provides a $5,000 benefit on your spouse and children up to the age of 20 or 24 if they're a full-time student. If you are deemed terminally ill, this policy allows you to take out a portion, up to 75% of your life policy's face value, and use it however you'd like to while you're still living. If you'd like to pay off your medical bills, take a vacation with your family, or gift it while you can enjoy seeing how you've helped your loved ones, that is your choice. Any amount taken will be deducted from your overall policy benefit amount. You also may be eligible to purchase a life policy if your employment with the city should end. Eligibility requirements include being under the age of 65, not disabled, able to perform your job functions, and having been continuously insured for a minimum of 12 months prior to your termination. To help protect you and your family from potential financial loss, a line of duty benefit accident is offered at no cost. This pays an additional benefit when an eligible public safety officer suffers a loss for which accidental death and dismemberment insurance benefits are payable, and it is the result of a line of duty accident. You can elect additional voluntary life insurance up to the guaranteed amount and apply for additional coverage by completing the Evidence of Insurability Medical History Questionnaire. If approved, the voluntary life insurance cannot exceed 5 times your salary, up to a maximum of $300,000. Voluntary life insurance can be purchased on your spouse and children, providing you have elected the benefit. The maximum amount of spousal coverage is 50% of what you elect, and the insurance benefit for your children is either a $5,000 or a $10,000 benefit. The cost for this coverage is based upon your age and the amount of insurance elected. A detailed summary of benefits is available on the HR benefits section of the city's intranet. Employees are automatically enrolled in the Standard's free travel assistance program. For more information and a brochure on this program, please contact your Human Resources Department. The Short-Term Disability Program is a self-insured program provided to eligible employees at no cost by the city. The program provides employees with a comprehensive short-term disability program when they experience a non-work-related illness or injury. The short-term disability program offers the following protection: 60% of your current salary up to 26 weeks with varying waiting periods depending upon the employee group. When you think about your assets, what comes to mind? Your house, your car, motorcycle? Your biggest asset is your ability to earn a living. That allows you to pay for everything else you have. We insure our homes, our cars, and our health, but we forget to insure our ability to earn a paycheck. That is why disability insurance is often referred to as paycheck insurance. Do you need your paycheck? How would you pay for your bills without a paycheck for a month or more? Long-term disability insurance provides a monetary benefit if you are unable to work due to illness or injury. Experiencing a short or long-term disability can be devastating to your finances and your life, and disabilities happen more often than people realize. Statistics show that almost one-third of Americans entering the workforce today, which is 3 in 10, will become disabled before they retire. Medical problems contribute to 62% of all personal bankruptcies filed in the U.S. in 2007, a 49.6% increase over results from a similar 2001 study. 71% of employees believe disabilities are most likely caused by serious accidents. However, approximately 90% of disabilities are caused by illnesses rather than accidents. Medical problems contributed to half of all home foreclosures in 2006, and less than 10% of disabling accidents and illnesses are work-related. The other 90% are not, meaning workers' compensation doesn't cover them. Long-term disability insurance, also known as LTD, is provided through the standard and is at no cost for all general and SEIU FPSU employees. The benefit is 60% of your monthly pre-disability earnings to a maximum benefit of $5,000 per month. This benefit would begin when short-term disability stops, and the maximum benefit period is to age 65 or Social Security normal retirement age. Law enforcement and firefighters can purchase voluntary long-term disability insurance and will receive 60% of their monthly earnings up to $1,500 per month. This benefit would begin after a 180-day waiting period and has a maximum benefit period of 2 years. If this benefit is not elected when initially eligible after your hire date, you can apply for voluntary long-term disability by completing a medical history questionnaire. Upon receipt and review of your application, you will be notified of your eligibility.